The Delta Children Emery Mini Crib offers a clever design that can transform from a baby crib to a twin-size headboard, making it an adaptable choice for growing families. This mini crib includes a mattress that measures 24 inches wide by 38 inches long and 2.75 inches high, providing a comfortable sleeping space for infants. With its two-position mattress height adjustment, the Emery Mini Crib can be easily adapted as your baby begins to sit or stand, ensuring safety and convenience. Safety is a top priority with this crib as it is JPMA certified and meets or exceeds all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM, offering peace of mind to parents. Its compact dimensions make it an ideal choice for smaller nurseries, while the easy assembly process adds to its user-friendly features. Available in a range of finishes including gray, bianca white, and dark chocolate, this crib can complement a variety of nursery decors.